स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट साइंस है। चैप्टर 8 है सेल स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस। आज मैं आपको इसकी एक्टिविटी नंबर 1 करवाऊंगी। टू ऑब्जर्व परमानेंट और टेम्पररी स्लाइड ऑफ यूनिसेल्युलर एनिमल्स, एपेक्टस एंड materials, slide cover slip, microscope, permanent slide of amoeba and Pharamocium, stagnant pond water, blotting paper. Procedure 1. Number, put 1-2 drops of pond water on glass slide. Number 2. Keep cover slip on it carefully. Number 3. Remove the excess water around the margin of the cover slip by a piece of blotting paper. Number 4. Observe the prepared slide with the help of microscope. Number 5. Get the permanent slide of unicellular animals from school laboratory and also observe it under microscope. Take help of your subject teacher to do this. Observation: unicellular amoeba appears irregular shape. amoeba का shape irregular होता है, means change होते रहता है. White Paramecium appears as slipper shape in slide. Conclusion: amoeba and Paramecium are full-fledged organisms capable of independent existence. Activity number 3 ये 2 है. To observe internal part of hen's egg. Apparatus and materials: hen's egg, boiled waters and split or small forceps. ये आपको यहाँ डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके बताया है. ये बॉइलिंग जो पहले बॉईल किया है उसके पहले, और ये कट आफ्टर बॉईल, मीन्स बॉईल होने के बाद जब कट करते हैं तब का ये पिक्चर है. ठीक है. टेक अ एग ऑफ अ हैन, कीप इट बॉइलिंग वाटर फॉर अबाउट 15 to 20 minutes. टेक आउट एग केयरफुली फ्रॉम हॉट वाटर. ब्रेक आउटर लेयर ऑफ एग विथ स्कैलपेल और फोर्सेप, वेट इट cool. Remove other layer carefully. 6. Now cut the egg longitudinally from the middle. Observation: 2 solid parts are seen in the egg. White material surrounds center yellow part. जो वाइट जो होता है वो क्या होता है, सेंट्रल पार्ट. जो बीच का पार्ट वो क्या होता है, रेड हो जाता है. रेड नहीं, सॉरी, हाँ. 2 solid parts are seen in the egg. White material surrounds center yellow part हो जाता है, सॉरी, रेड नहीं. Conclusion: the central yellow part is yolk and the surroundings white material is albumin which solidifies on boiling. Hence egg is a single cell. Yellow yolk region contains fat and white albuminous region contains. Next, number 3, to observe the basic components of onion cell, apparatus and materials: onion, slide, cover, slip, microscope, dropper, watch glass, forceps and blotting paper. Methylene blue. Next procedure है, take a fleshy onion leaf, peel off a thin membrane from its inner surface. Number 2, cut a small piece of this membrane and spread it well on a glass slide. Next, number 3, take some water in watch glass and add 2-3 drops of methylene blue in it. Number 4, put drops of solution of methylene blue on thin layer of onion on the slide with the help of dropper. Number 5, gently cover the stained material on the slide with a thin cover slip. Number 6, remove the excess water around the margin of the cover slip by a piece of blotting paper. 7, observe the prepared slide with the help of a microscope. Observation: a large number of almost rectangular cells systematically arranged, touching each other like the pavement are seen in cell of onion. The cell wall, a nucleus and cytoplasm are observed. इसका conclusion का each layer of membrane of onion bulb is made up of many cells. Next, number 4 है to observe the cells of inner lining ऑफ ह्यूमन चिक। ये आपको यहाँ पे ह्यूमन चिक सेल्स का पिक्चर बताया है, डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया हुआ है, ठीक है। तो ऑब्जर्व द स्टेप्स ऑफ इनर लाइन, तो इसका apparatus एंड मटेरियल्स आएगा टूथपिक, ऑफ स्पून, स्लाइड, कवर स्लिप, ब्लोटिंग पेपर, माइक्रोस्कोप, स्टेन, आयोडीन और मिथेलिन ब्लू। प्रोसीजर आएगा टेक सम वाटर इन वॉच ग्लास एंड ऐड 2-3 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ मिथेलिन ब्लू इन इट। टेक अ क्लीन स्पून और टूथपिक, gargle 2-3 times with water, move the margin of spoon or toothpick slowly on the inner surface of chick. 4 number, transfer the material from the spoon or toothpick on glass side. Number 5, with the help of dropper, put 2-3 drops of methylene blue on it from watch glass. Number 6 है keep cover slip on this slide. While doing this, care should be taken that air does not remain in it. Number 7 है remove excess water with the help of blotting paper. Number 8, observe prepared slide with the help of a microscope. Observation आएगा several cells systematically arranged touching each other by their margins are seen. A nucleus, cytoplasm are seen in each of the cells. Plus conclusion आएगा cells on the inner lining of chick. Chick possess cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus, but cell wall is absent. अभी next है आपका choose the correct option. Number 1 है which cellular organelle is found in both prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. A plastid, B ribosome and C lysosome and C lysosome. तो इसका आंसर आएगा B ribosome. Number 2, on of which system of human body are white blood cells considered? A digestive system, B respiratory system, C reproductive system and C circulatory system. आंसर आएगा इसका circulatory system, D आएगा circulatory system. Next number 3 है which of following eukaryotic cell is devoid of nucleus? A bone cell, a nerve cell, C RBC and D muscle cell. तो आंसर आएगा आपका C RBC. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 है which gene inherited from parents to offspring result in different characteristics. ए है mutated gen, recombinant gen, C A और B एंड डी अल्टरनेटिव gen. तो आंसर आएगा आपका इसका C A और B. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 है which photosynthetic prokaryotic organism? Eugleria, Spugura, C yeast, blue green algae. तो आंसर आएगा blue green algae. ये आपका क्या हो गया? अभी जो छोटी छोटी जो डिफाइन है सेल किसे कहते हैं? स्मॉलेस्ट लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर लाइफ. Cell membrane, a membrane occurred in all living cell which surrounds cytoplasm or protoplasm. Cell wall, an outer thick covering outside of cell membrane or bacterial and plant cell. Chloroplast, a green plastid present in aerial green parts of plants. Chromosome, gene-bearing thread, the structure converted from chromatin during cell division. Cytoplasm, jelly-like fluid component distributed between cell membrane and nuclear membrane of cell. Eukaryotes, organism having cells with well-organized nucleus surrounds with nuclear membrane. Then a unit of inheritance in living organism located on chromosome. Next है multicellular, an organism made up of more than one cell. Nuclear membrane, a porous membrane in eukaryotic cell which separates nucleus from cytoplasm. Nucleus, a smaller spherical body seen in nucleus. Nucleus, a spherical centrally located controlling center of all the activities in cell. Organ, a structure formed by different tissues. Organelles, various components occur in cytoplasm to perform various activities of cell. Plasma membrane, a membrane that encloses protoplasm of cell. Plastid, scattered small colored bodies in the cytoplasm of leaf cells. Prokaryotes, an organism having cells with primitive nucleus devoid of nucleus and nuclear membrane. Pseudopodia, temporary projection on the cell surface of amoeba for movement and capturing of food. Tissue, a group of smaller cells performing a specific function. नंबर 20 है unicellular, an organism made up of single cell. Number 20 vacuole, a structure in cytoplasm without of cytoplasm. 22 white blood cell, irregular shape cell in blood, helps in defense mechanism of body. ये चैप्टर आपका यहाँ पे कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसका मैं न्यू चैप्टर करवाऊँगी. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है. ठीक है. थैंक यू.